This video we're looking at the control commands use case for the MCC Melody UART driver. So we'll find this by clicking on the help question mark next to the UART. This opens the API reference in context. Clicking on control commands takes us to our use case. So here we are simply going to use the commands on and off to turn the LED on and off. So we have a dependency selection, selecting the UART for the CDC port. You want X to UART, just so that the generic code snippets here will work no matter what UART you use. Redirect standard I/O to UART, selecting a TX pin, selecting LED as output and renaming it LED. Okay, so from our kit window, schematics, basically whatever schematic you're using. So here there's no specific UART number, RB7, and our LED is RC1. So we can select UART 1, pins, RB7, and RC1 is our LED pin. So clicking on pins, LED pin to LED. We had to rename UART so that we can select any UART and the code will run just fine, and redirect printf or standard I/O to UART. So with our configuration complete, we can generate code. Now let's look at the code snippets. We have string.h and a maximum command length. An execute command which passes the on and off commands. And finally there's a main giving you some instructions and then taking in the characters. So the editor hasn't underlined anything for our attention. So we can go ahead and compile. Successful build. Let's start programming. Open the data visualizer. In our COM port, click display as text in the terminal. So in the terminal, send on to turn the LED on and off to turn it off. So on. So you can see that the use case works as expected. Also note that it is case sensitive.